What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button below. I'd appreciate it. What I've got here for today's video is a TALOS Prism Scope. It is from the company Nutrek. They did send this out to me, so let's get this thing unboxed and see what we're looking at. Let's go over the box here. Now this is a 5x magnification Prism Scope. Y'all can pause that and read it and skip ahead of the video if you want. I'm going to go ahead and read it. We have a compact design with a short tube and generous eye relief. Extra bright optics delivers images with high clarity. Illuminated reticle with 10 levels of brightness. Nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed for fog and waterproof. Shock G-force rating of 1500 G withstands recoil of most rifles and carbines. Let's get this thing opened up. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we have our owner's manual. There's some specs if y'all want to pause it and read it. Cleaning cloth. Standard low profile mount. We've got our tool here to get the Prism Scope mounted onto your rifle and to get it zeroed. Okay, let's get this scope out of here. As you can see, the rise mount is already attached to the scope here. But here is the Nutrek TALOS Prism Scope. We have our battery cap here, which this does take a CR2032 battery. We have our windage and elevation. Plus and minus buttons are on the top. But overall, a nice looking prism scope. Let's see if we can't get the crosshairs here focused in on the camera. Okay, I put down a piece of paper so you guys can see the crosshairs there. But this is about as focused as I can get it. Let's turn on the reticle, press down the plus and minus button at the same time. And there we have the reticle on with the crosshairs. Now again, we do have 10 brightness settings. I will get some outdoor footage of the reticle here and put it at the end of the video, so if you want to see that, make sure you watch till the end. Now to turn off the reticle, press down the plus and minus button for 3 seconds. And there we have it. Anyhow, this is the Nutrek TALOS Prism Scope. Y'all drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think of it here. And would you run it? Heck, maybe you already are. Let me know what you guys think of it. How well it has held up for you. So I'm going to have to figure out what firearm I'm going to be putting it on, but I'll figure it out and see how well this thing holds up. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop me a comment, and subscribe. But y'all take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next one.